What is up guys, Tool Guy Y here, and today we're going to be taking a look at yet another Omega Lift product. You guys might recognize this stool I'm sitting on. Right here I'm sitting on the Omega Lift Creeper, which I did an unboxing on earlier, but if you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. Today I'll be unboxing the Omega Lift 3.5 ton Magic Lift Service Jack. Part number on that is 29037. So all these straps are already pre-cut to save some time and make this unboxing a little shorter. Now this box does come pretty heavy in the mail, so if you're a weak boy like me, I definitely recommend 2 people to carry it. And because it is heavy, it came a little damaged, but the jack itself was packaged pretty nicely. So out of the box, the jack comes nicely packaged, as I said before, and it does have that distinct Omega Lift yellow goldenrod color. On the top we have 2 pieces of the jack handle. One is the base part, and second is the top part covered in foam so you don't scratch your bumper. Alright, let's open her up and pull these things out. As you can see here, like I said before, there is a lot of foam for packing. It was packaged very well. However, this type of foam, whenever packing and stuff, they do break down pretty easily, and those white balls get everywhere. So if you guys do this, I highly recommend unboxing it in a big area so cleanup is easy. Next, we have the instruction manual and the warranty card. Another thing I noticed about this jack is that it came with a really nice rubber pad that was engraved with Omega. The reason for this rubber pad is to help prevent bending of the frame rails or pinch welds wherever you're jacking your car up. It also helps protect the undercarriage of your car that may or may not be painted. Alright guys, the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's pull her out. Like I said before, it is a little heavy. The item itself weighs about 86 pounds, and 86 pounds might seem a little heavy, but most 3.5 ton jacks weigh about 80 to 90 pounds. Little tip for you, they put a rod in and secure it with the jack handle retaining bolt. In order to use the jack, you are going to have to take the rod out. Don't be like me. I highly recommend putting together the jack handle and installing it so that you can pull the jack down and relieve some of that tension. If not, it'll snap and you can possibly hurt yourself. Once you have everything put together, take the jack handle, install it, and then snug down the retaining bolt. The thing I liked about this jack is that it features an inline pump assembly, which consists of a sealed hydraulic pump and the built-in bypass that protects the hydraulic system from overpumping damage. This allows the need for only a couple pumps to reach max height. This jack also consists of a cast iron lift arm and side plates that are flanged for strength and durability. So that's pretty much it on the unboxing. Now I have been using this jack a while now. It did take me a while to make this video. So personal thoughts on this, I do think it's a really great jack. It's very quick and it works very smoothly. The only issue I really have is that it has a hard time getting over zip ties in the shop. But hey, that goes for all jacks, right? So if you guys are in the market for a hydraulic jack, I definitely recommend checking this out. It runs about $190, but with shipping it'll run around $220. But if you need a low pro jack for your slammed car, Omega Lift has you covered. They have a 3.5 ton low pro jack that will run you about $290. I'd like to take this time out to send a big Mahalos to Omega Lift for sending this jack out to me along with the Z Creeper. I really appreciate it and they're great products. Thank you guys. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tour review videos. Also check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!